Welcome to the Daily Message. I am Deborah Belsheim and I represent Rocksteady Boxing O'Fallon. We are one of the recipients of the To Be Given Away program through St. Nicholas Parish, and we're very grateful for that gift. Rocksteady Boxing is an exercise program for men and women who have been diagnosed with Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's is a neurological disorder. It's progressive, and there's no known cure. I can do all things through him who strengthens me. It's a passage from the book of Philippians that Paul, the apostle, wrote when he was incarcerated in Rome in a prison. And the dominant theme of Philippians is be grateful, to rejoice in the Lord always, and to give humbly back to the Lord. So with that passage in mind, I'm going to go back to 2016. And in the summer of 2016, I heard of this program, Rocksteady Boxing, for people with Parkinson's disease. My father had Parkinson's disease, and it doesn't just affect the person who has the diagnosis of Parkinson's, but it affects the entire family. So I thought, you know what, maybe I can bring this program to our town. So I did the research, went to Indianapolis to find out about the program, and there are 850 affiliations worldwide. But through the providence of the Lord and him putting people in my life for a reason, we were able to bring the program to O'Fallon. The last 2 years of my father's life gave him hope, gave him strength, and he met new friends, and it gave him a place to go. My father passed away in August of this year, but we started with two boxers, my dad and a gentleman named John, and today we have reached out to more than 25 to 30 boxers on a weekly basis. So given that passage that I gave you, and here's another one, trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not depend on your own understanding, but seek his will in all you do, and he will show you the way. Life for me, my life mission is Rocksteady Boxing, and it is because I'm asking the Lord through prayer to help me, to lead the way, to show me what my reason is. He gives each of us gifts, and he gave me a tremendous gift of family, of faith, of good health, and the ability to be able to bring this program locally to O'Fallon. So I thank God for that. If Jesus Christ is not at the center of your life, you really should refocus, because each of us can share the gifts that God gave you with all of your fellow parishioners, with the people that you know. So I'm going to end with what the Apostle Paul told the Philippians. He said, "May the grace of our Lord be with each of you." God bless you, and God bless my boxers.